Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Manny, Death on the Nile, and Nicole Diary 107. I've started off with Miltiques Formula 2, and here is Death on the Nile. This is a gorgeous, one of those totally office-appropriate shades, almost like mannequin hands, but it's got all those flakies in it that make your heart happy. When you wear this, you get to see those flakies, and they bring you happy thoughts. You know what I'm saying? Happy stuff. So there we go with our first coat, and I'm going to go in with the second coat. Now this polish is a little thick, which is fine. I would rather have to add a little bit of thinner to it next time I want to use it than to have a runny polish. I appreciate a thicker polish. Ooh. What's going on here? Oh, got to get Woody out. Oh, didn't even see nothing on there. Ah, girl's crazy. I am going to put some Jealous on this, the gel-like top coat. This helps fill in any lumps or bumps, because like I said, this was a rather thick, and when it dries down, I didn't want anything sticking up, and I didn't want to keep putting top coat on it. So I'm just going to go ahead with the American Classics Jealous. There we go. And once it's dry, I will be topping it with Moonshine Manny's Let's Go Top Coat, which I am really enjoying. And we're going to let this one dry all the way down. Dry down. Now, it doesn't dry down as fast as my Pro FX Quick Dry, but it's pretty quick. It works pretty good. I'm going to get Woody back out here, do a little bit more tidying up. Do it as we go along. And there's a swatch photo of it on its own. I'll be using Nicole Diary 107 today, and I'm just going to pull images from all over this buffet-like style plate. It's just got a lot of I like plates like this that are just full. I'll be using Maniology's turquoise stamping polish, and I'm just, like I said, I'm going to use images from all over this plate, and you know, get to enjoy. Okay, well, all of that didn't stick because I let it dry too much. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and remove all that stamping. I got lucky and it came off. I'm going to use the Get a Grip from Vibrant Vinyls to apply a little bit of a sticky base. And we're going to try this again. See, I leave the mistakes in there too for you so you can see how to fix them or how to try to fix them. It doesn't always work, but you know, you got to try. Got to try. I am cleaning that stamper off on a lint roller, and I'm not going to bother with cleaning the plate until I'm done because I'm just going all over this plate. So I'm going to keep on stamping. And this looks real faint from the camera angle. Hopefully you'll be able to see in my swatch photo, you know, the stamping and the, you know, little peekaboo from, you know, the flaky polish underneath. I like that image. I think that's pretty cool. Tapping that stuff down. And then I just need a little bit of this image for my pinky nail because it's so little. It's a little skinny old thing. So here we go. Gonna try to line that up. Plop it down. And then I'm gonna just hit the middle and get a little bit of all those images for my thumb. Here we go. Good job. Good job there. Alright. So we're all done with the stamping. I'm going to clean this plate with pure acetone. Scrub it down really good. And then I'm going to wipe it with the paper towel. And here we go. We're going to clean up a little bit with some tape. Get some of that excess polish off of there. And then I'm going to hop in real quick with my cleanup brush and some acetone. You don't have to use acetone. I just prefer it because it's so quick. And I'm going to top this one straight up with the Moonshine Manny's Let's Go Top Coat. Look at those flakies in there. Now you can see it. This is one of the more delicate, not in-your-face manicures, but I ended up enjoying it. I'd love to hear what you think about it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. There's my swatch photo. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.